2020, Exam 1, Question 15, Data Analysis. Okay, so this one tricked a few people and got people in a bit of a mess. Understandable, happens to the best of us. We're looking at how to correct for seasonality for March. Now let's just look at those figures. We've got a seasonal index below 1, and we've got a mean rainfall of 52.8. Now just as a broad concept idea, if you look at these values, remember, when you deseasonalize, high values get brought down, low values get brought up. And if you compare the 52.8 to the rest of the months, you can see that you definitely want to be bringing March up. So that means it's definitely not a decrease. Now you got to figure out by what percentage. Now in the formula sheet, they do give you this formula, that seasonal index equals actual divided by deseasonalized figure. You need to have a rearranged form of that. So if you need to, just write in your notes the rearranged formula for this. So deseasonalized figure, I'm going to call that DSF. That is going to be the same as the actual over the seasonal index. So you might want to think about it that way, or you can separate this out, and this will really help you. DSF equals the actual times 1 over SI. And that's the key to unlocking this problem, is this whole 1 over SI. So make sure you got this formula into your books, because all you got to do is take this seasonal index and do the 1 over SI. So 1 over the SI equals 1 over 0.741, which equals about 1.35. That's your 100%. That's like no change, but you're adding on a plus 35%. Think about your financial maths. So you've increased it by 35%, and that is that one. And so you can see that the trick they were trying to play on you, a lot of people went for the increase by 26 because 0.74 plus 26, but you're not adding, you're multiplying. So that's why it's 1 over SI. Make sure you've got this in your notes somewhere. That'll help you a lot.